Are you tired of viewers skipping around your video because there are no chapters? Here is exactly how to add them manually in YouTube Studio. I will walk you through signing in, finding your video, and formatting timestamps in the description. Let us start. So the first thing you need to do is sign in to YouTube Studio. Now, if you have ever uploaded a video or managed a channel before, you have already been here. Just head over to studio.youtube.com and log in with your Google account. This is where all the magic happens for your channel. Once you are logged in, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You will see a few different options there. Go ahead and click on the one that says Content. This is basically your command center for every video you have ever uploaded. It lists all of them in one place, which makes finding the right one really easy. Now, find the specific video you want to add chapters to and click on it. Just click on the thumbnail or the title itself, and it will open up the video details page. This is the same screen you use to change the title, add tags, or update the thumbnail. So if it looks familiar, that is why. As the page loads and things settle in, scroll down a bit until you get to the description box. And here is the thing. Most people miss this part. They look for some fancy chapter settings panel, but it is actually just right here in the description field. Simple, right? Now, here is the really important part. You are going to create a list of timestamps and titles. The format has to be very specific for YouTube to recognize it as chapters. Start with the very beginning of your video, so 0:00, and then a space, a dash, and then your title. For example, 0:00-introduction. Then on the next line, put 1:30-topic 1, and then 2:45-topic 2, and so on. A quick tip from experience, make sure the first timestamp starts at exactly 0:00, otherwise chapters will not show up at all, and keep each timestamp at least 10 seconds apart. That is another rule YouTube follows. Once you have typed out your full list of timestamps with their titles, you are almost done. Finally, look in the top right corner of your screen and click the blue Save button. Give it a moment to process, and that is it. Your video now has clickable chapters right in the description. Viewers can jump to exactly the part they care about, and you will probably see your watch time go up too. I have tested this process on my own videos, and it is really that straightforward. No extra tools, no complicated settings, just a clean list of timestamps in the right format. If you found this helpful, go ahead and add chapters to your next video. You've got this.